All right, Sandyman. So there are so many keys in my keyboard are not working. The main reason was there is some silicone thing is used to be here, but it is not here anymore. The ants have destroyed it all, so that's why this X was not working. So the temporary solution which I came up with is this one is an old unused and damaged laptop, so I'm using I already cut this one from here. It was like here, so I cut this one and I will put it here and it should work. So let's see if it works or not. So let me on. Right, so let me see. R T. These are all working actually, but we need to see the X, right? Okay, we need to see the X. X. Oh, it's not working. X. Okay, it's working. See. Oh, okay, let me fix it properly. And it is working. A temporary solution is working. So this X is working right now, and there are so many other keys that are not working, like this ALT. This one, you can see this one is little bit lower than the other one. This one is little bit lower than these ones. So the problem is same. The low the that thing that I showed is not here. The ants have eaten all of them. So that's the thing, and for that this laptop has to sacrifice his X. And thank you very much. Okay, and how I cut that one thing is using this blade. Okay, the thing is we need to first pop out these keys. For example, let's say this Z1. So like this it will come out slowly, like that it came out. See, now this thing sometimes makes some problem, but we can fix it. But we need both our hands, so I will pause the video. Alright, so this was the Z, and so there are some two little square type of plastics, and like this one and this one. So I was a little bit confused. I messed up something, so I opened another key to see how to fix it. So at the last I fixed it. The point is we can open this one, and I cut this little silicone thing. You can see, wait, that one which is not here right now because I have used this one, and this one are still here. So I cut it and I keep it under this, and that's how I fixed it temporarily. That's it. Thank you. And how to keep them again in their place. So for example, this was Z, so we will just keep it like here, and we need to press it a little bit. Okay, and it's done. Similarly, S, where is S? Here is the S. Just keep it here, and S.